If you have an E210 Toyota Corolla sedan like this one and you want to learn how to operate the child locking system on the rear doors and windows, check out this video. Hi there guys, welcome to another one of my videos. My name is Ross and this is an E210 Toyota Corolla sedan. And I'm going to be showing you how to operate the child locking system on the rear doors as well as the windows. So first off, we're just going to open up one of the rear doors and we're going to go and have a look at the lock here, and you'll notice it's got a little child in a padlock symbol. Now if you go ahead and give that a pull, you'll actually hear the lock operating and you'll feel there's a bit of tension on the handle. If we go ahead and flick this little lever down like that, that actually inhibits this door handle and you can actually feel it's changed and it's no longer operating that lock. If we go around to this handle, this one still works as it should. And to return it to normal, we're just going to flick that up like that. Now, as you can see, this window is working fine. However, if we go into the driver's side of the vehicle and we push this button here, you'll notice a little lock symbol comes on and an LED. And we go back to the window, and actually now you cannot operate it, only the driver can. And again, just to return that to normal, just going to tap that so the LED goes off. Go back to your window and now you can operate it like normal again. So there we go, that's how easy it is to operate the child locking system on the rear doors and windows on an E210 Toyota Corolla like this one. If you found that video interesting or helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.